Clip to save, you will be amazed with Couponing Crystle.
Lovely people, Couponing Crystle here with my CVS haul for this week, September the 16th. And this deal is going to be good until the 22nd. So if you want to do it, you certainly can. Okay. Now, I did the spend 30 and get 10. Last night, I did some couponing at CVS, and part of what I spent went towards what I bought today because the sales have overlapped. It was late in the day yesterday. It was like 9 something, store was about to close. So part of what I purchased went towards this deal, okay? That happens sometimes, all right? So this is what I did. I bought 2 of the Tide, okay? 2 of the Tide, and they are on sale for $5.94. Now, the items that are participating in this are right here on the front of the flyer: the Dawn, the Tide, the Loves, the Bounty, and the Game. Tide and the Game, okay? Now, then I got 2 of the Tide Pods. The Tide Pods are $4.94. And then I got 1 Gain Liquid, and the Gain Liquid was $5.94. Now, I had to get 1 Dawn, okay? Now, I didn't have to go for the newbies. Let me say this. At CVS, it's kind of like an unsaid thing, but it's 98%. If you come within 98% of the $30, your $10 extra buck should print, okay? So, because part of my stuff I bought last night fell over into it, when I looked on my app, it said for this deal that I only need to spend an additional $28.02 for it to generate the extra bucks. So I didn't need to try to get, you know, a little higher. So what I purchased came up to be $28.69. Now, I was planning on using 2 apps, 2 coupons within the app, which was for the Tide Pods and for a Tide Liquid, okay? So, $2, that's $4 right there. Now, what I had in paper form coupons was 1 Tide Liquid, 1 Tide Pod, and 1 Gain Liquid. All right? Now, when I got up there, I was also planning on doing the Crest deal that I told y'all about in the video last night, which was this right here. I had this in my stuff, and I also had a $1 toothpaste CRT, not realizing that that was off of 3 and not off of 2. So I had her to put that back. But in the meantime, she had scanned my $1 coupon off my Crest. So when she hit total, and then everything came off, also with me giving her $7 in extra bucks, I was rolling $7 in extra bucks, it wasn't right. My total was not right. And I was like, something ain't right. Let's look at this. And I said, something ain't right. Let's look at this, because let me make sure it took off all my coupons. The thing I don't like about CVS, I will say, is that when you're ringing up, when they're, cashing you out, you can't really see if the app coupons came off. I don't like that, okay? So, they didn't come off. I looked at my phone. They were still on my phone. They did not come off. So I was like, they didn't come off. She said, well, let me see if I can just give you a $4 extra buck. So that's what she ended up doing. I was honest when the manager come up there. I said that $1 really shouldn't have came off, but they still didn't, alter it. So I did get an extra $1 off, and I got the $4 extra buck given back to me. So the deal wasn't all that bad. But one thing I did realize is that on the coupons, the paper coupons that I gave her, it said a limit of 1 per household per day. So I think because of those coupons saying that it wasn't allowing me to also combine the app coupons for the other 2, okay? Because I was already using a paper for these, okay? I think that's what it was. So, you know what? All in all, I want you guys, when you do a deal, I want it to go smoothly for you. So I have to tell you the hiccups, even though it sounds confusing, because I don't want you to go out and think, oh, I'm going to go do that deal that Coupon and Crystle did. And then you get in there and your stuff is not scanning right. So I really had not noticed that those coupons said that. So in fact, maybe I wasn't supposed to actually use those particular paper coupons along with the app coupons. So I'm just like, goodness, you know, the P&G coupons typically say limit of 1 per purchase, limit of 2 like coupons. But dadgum, it's like now they want you to get 1 per household per day. You ain't getting no more than that. But you know, people gonna find a way to get around that. So now, before I give you the totals, I had to do one little lonely lipstick. And the reason why I did that one little lonely red lipstick, okay, for Wet n Wild, okay, I like this color too. Y'all know I like reds and stuff and berries and stuff. This is a 536A, which is a dark wine, okay? I did this one because it was $1.49 and I needed to spend 37 cents in order to get my $30 reached, to get my $3 extra buck for beauty. So I was like, let me find something really small. So this was $1.49 and it had that 50-cent Wet n Wild coupon that came in this week's, you know, this week's inserts. So I said, yeah, let me get that, and that will bump me over so I can get my little $3 extra buck. Yeah. So all in all, I got my $10 extra buck and I got my $4 extra buck. What I had to pay in the store was, because I'm low on extra bucks, y'all. Only rolled $7. $15.87 was my subtotal. Y'all know I do not like paying that much out of pocket, but guess what I paid for it with? Ibotta. I paid for it with my Ibotta money. I ain't paying that out of my money. So I paid for it out of my Ibotta money. Paid $15.87, and then I turn around and I got a $10 extra buck and I got a $4 extra buck. So that's like getting 5 items and, well, actually not 5 items, 5, 6, 7 items, 5 things of laundry, a Dawn, and a lipstick for $1.87. See, that's what I'm talking about right there. That is calling couponing for the low, low price of darn near free. That's what we trying to do. I think the hard thing for some new couponers to grasp the concept when you're couponing at CVS is to get the concept of I'm spending it out of pocket, but they are giving it back to me in the form of an extra buck. Because I did swipe my card and gave them $15.87, but they gave it back to me in the form of $14.87. So even swap ain't no swindle. I can take this $14 and go right back into CVS and purchase something else, which I'm probably gonna do the Shea Moisture deal, because the Shea Moisture I think is spend 30 and get 10, and I think they're buy one get one half off, and we have them Shea Moisture coupons. So I am loving the Shea Moisture hair gel. So yes, I twisted my hair last night because I'm trying to do a protective style, so I most definitely am going to do that. And when I tell y'all, y'all probably can hear the rain in this video because the hurricane has hit, and it is just, I mean, excuse me, it's not a hurricane anymore, it's a tropical storm, but it is like, I mean, it is just, it's really, really raining now. So my backyard is drenched. Do you hear me? I hope you guys are remaining safe and staying dry. Be on the lookout for my video because I did some clearance shopping while I was in CVS. It's just too much to combine in this video, so make sure you stick around for that. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye. Hey, lovely people, make sure you keep in touch. Email me at couponingcrystle@yahoo.com, or you can see me on Instagram and Facebook as Couponing Crystle. If you like this video, please make sure you give it that thumbs up and share it with your other couponing friends. Bye-bye.